government, government, leta. Examples: the government builds roads. The government builds roads. Leta yubaka imihanda. The government helps poor people. The government helps poor people. Leta ifasha abakene. Ijambo rikurikira ni movement. Movement, kwimuka uva ahantu hamwe ujya ahandi, cyangwa se urugaga. The movement of the car is slow. The movement of the car is slow. Kwimuka kw'imodoka biratinda. There is a youth movement. There is a youth movement in the country. There is a youth movement in the country. Hari urugaga rw'urubyiruko mu gihugu. Development, development, iterambere. The village needs development. The village needs development. Umudugudu ukeneye iterambere. Education brings development. Education brings development. Uburezi buzana iterambere. Improvement, improvement, kunozwa cyangwa se guteza imbere. Inozwa ry'ikintu runaka nibyo bita improvement. There is improvement in his work. There is improvement in his work. Hari kunozwa mu kazi ke. He wants improvement in English. He wants improvement in English. Ashaka guteza imbere icyongereza, kongera urwego rwe rw'icyongereza. Achievement, achievement, ibyagezweho cyangwa se intsinzi. Example: passing the exam is an achievement. Gutsinda ikizamini ni intsinzi. He celebrated his achievement. He celebrated his achievement. Yishimiye ibyo yagezeho. Management, 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 ubuyobozi cyangwa se imicungire. Good management grows a business. Good management grows a business. Ubuyobozi bwiza buteza imbere ubucuruzi. School management called a meeting. School management called a meeting. Ubuyobozi bw'ishuri bwatumije inama. Agreement, agreement, amasezerano cyangwa se kumvikana. They signed an agreement. They signed an agreement. Bashyize umukono ku masezerano. We have an agreement to work together. We have an agreement to work together. We have an agreement to work together. Dufite amasezerano yo gukorana. Payment, payment, ubwishyu. Payment is due today. Payment is due today. Ubwishyu ugomba gutangwa uyu munsi. He made the payment by phone. He made the payment by phone. Yishyuye akoresheje telefone. Employment, employment, akazi. She is looking for employment. She is looking for employment. Arashaka akazi. The company offers employment to youth. The company offers employment to youth. Ikigo gitanga akazi ku rubyiruko. Unemployment. Unemployment, ubushomeri. Unemployment is a big problem. Unemployment is a big problem. Ubushomeri ni ikibazo gikomeye. The government fights unemployment. The government fights unemployment. Leta igwanya ubushomeri. Appointment. Appointment, gahunda yo guhura n'umuntu runaka. I have a doctor's appointment. I have a doctor's appointment. Mfite gahunda yo kubonana na muganga. Assignment. Assignment. Assignment ni umukoro cyangwa se inshingano. The teacher gave us any assignment. The teacher gave us any assignment. Mwarimu yaduhaye umukoro. This task is my assignment. This task is my assignment. Uyu murimo ni inshingano yanjye. Announcement. Announcement, itangazo. The school made any announcement. The school made any announcement. Ishuri ryatanze itangazo. I heard the announcement on radio. I heard the announcement on radio. Numvise itangazo kuri radiyo. Advertisement. Advertisement, itangazo ryamamaza. I saw the advertisement on TV. I saw the advertisement on TV. Nabonye itangazo ryamamaza kuri televiziyo. Nabonye itangazo ryamamaza kuri televiziyo. The advertisement attracts customers. The advertisement attracts customers. Iyamamaza rikurura abakiriya. Statement. Statement, twayita nk'ubusobanuro. The witness gave a statement. The witness gave a statement. Umutangabuhamya yatanze ibisobanuro cyangwa se ubusobanuro. Argument. Argument, impaka cyangwa se intonganya. They had any argument. They had any argument. Bagiranye intonganya cyangwa se impaka. The argument was about money. The argument was about money. Impaka zari zerekeye amafaranga. Arrangement. 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 Arrangement ni gahunda cyangwa se itondekanya. Gushyira ibintu ku murongo, gupanga ibintu ku murongo uko biri buze gukurikirana. Nibyo bita arrangement. We made travel arrangements. We made travel arrangements. Twakoze gahunda y'urugendo. The arrangement of chairs is nice. The arrangement of chairs is nice. Itondekanya ry'intebe ni ryiza. Uburyo intebe zitondetsemo ni byiza. Treatment. Treatment, ubuvuzi cyangwa se uko ufata umuntu cyangwa se ikintu. He received treatment. He received treatment. yahawe ubuvuzi cyangwa se yakiriye ubuvuzi. The treatment was successful. The treatment was successful. Ubuvuzi bwagenze neza. Environment. Environment, ibidukikije. We must protect the environment. We must protect the environment. Tugomba kurinda ibidukikije. A clean environment is important. A clean environment is important. Ibidukikije bisukuye ni ingenzi. Investment. Investment, ishoramari. He made an investment in farming. He made an investment in farming. Yakoze ishoramari mu buhinzi. Investment brings profit. Investment brings profit. Ishoramari rizana inyungu. Requirement. Requirement, ibisabwa. English is a requirement. English is a requirement. Icyongereza ni kimwe mu bisabwa. You must meet the requirements. You must meet the requirements. Ugomba kuzuza ibisabwa. Commitment. Commitment, kwiyemeza cyangwa se ubwitange. He shows commitment to work. He shows commitment to work. Agaragaza ubwitange mu kazi. Marriage needs commitment. Marriage needs commitment. Ishyingiranwa risaba kwiyemeza. Replacement. Replacement, gusimbuza cyangwa se isimbuza. They need a replacement. They need a replacement teacher. They need a replacement teacher. Bakeneye mwarimu usimbura. The replacement arrived early. The replacement arrived early. Uwasimbuye yaje kare. Department. Department, ishami. She works in the finance department. She works in the finance department. Akora mu ishami ry'imari. Go to the health department. Go to the health department. Jya mu ishami ry'ubuzima. Equipment. Equipment, ibikoresho. Mu bwinshi, equipment ni igikoresho, equipments ibikoresho mu bwinshi. The hospital needs equipment. The hospital needs equipment. Ibitaro bikenera ibikoresho. Sports equipment is expensive. Sports equipment is expensive. Ibikoresho bya siporo birahenze. Disappointment. Disappointment, gutenguha cyangwa se ugutenguha. Ugutenguha byose byasobanura disappointment. Failing the test was a disappointment. Failing the test was a disappointment. Kunanirwa ikizamini byari ugutenguhwa. He felt disappointment. He felt disappointment. Yumvise atengushwe. Gutenguha n'ibyo wari witeze utabashije kubona. Excitement. Excitement, ibyishimo byinshi cyane. The game brought excitement. The game brought excitement. Umukino wazanye ibyishimo byinshi. Children shouted with excitement. Children shouted with excitement. Abana bavugije induru kubera ibyishimo. Assignment. Assignment, isuzuma. The teacher made any assignment. The teacher made any assignment. Mwarimu yakoze isuzuma. The assignment was fair. The assignment was fair. Isuzuma ryari rinyuze mu mucyo. Stalemate. Stalemate, imiturire. Good stalemate, imiturire myiza. Bad stalemate, imiturire mibi. Entertainment. Entertainment, imyidagaduro. Music is good entertainment. Music is good entertainment. Umuziki ni imyidagaduro myiza. We watched the entertainment on TV. We watched the entertainment on TV. Twarebye imyidagaduro kuri televiziyo. Engagement. Engagement, gusezerana. Their engagement was yesterday. Their engagement was yesterday. Gusezerana kwabo kwabaye ejo hahise. Establishment. Establishment, ishigwaho. The establishment of the school was in 2000. The establishment of the school was in 2000. Ishigwaho ry'ishuri ryabaye mu mwaka w'ibihumbi bibiri. The law allows establishment of companies. The laws allows establishment of companies. Itegeko ryemerera ishigwaho ry'ibigo. Itegeko ryemera ishigwaho ry'ibigo. Punishment. Punishment, igihano. He received punishment. Yahawe igihano cyangwa se yakiriye igihano. The punishment was fair. The punishment was fair. Igihano cyari gikwiye. Involvement. Involvement, uruhare. His involvement helped the team. His involvement helped the team. Uruhare rwe rwafashije itsinda. Parental involvement is important. Parental involvement is important. Uruhare rw'ababyeyi ni ingenzi. Enrollment. Enrollment, kwiyandikisha. The school enrollment is open. The school enrollment is open. Kwiyandikisha ku ishuri birafunguye cyangwa se byatangiye. He completed enrollment online. He completed enrollment online. Yarangije kwiyandikisha kuri interinete cyangwa se ku ikoranabuhanga. Retirement. Retirement, ikiruhuko cy'izabukuru. He plans his retirement. He plans his retirement. Apangira ikiruhuko cy'izabukuru. She enjoyed her retirement. She enjoyed her retirement. Yishimiye ikiruhuko cy'izabukuru. Refund. Refund. Gusubizwa amafaranga. Gusubizwa amafaranga nibyo twita refund. I asked for a refund. I asked for a refund. Nasabye gusubizwa amafaranga. The company gave me a refund. The company gave me a refund. Ikigo cyansubije amafaranga. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share and comment.